Yo, what is up guys? In today's video I just wanted to, this is kind of the part 2 for the tournament, and I want to say thank you to everybody who has purchased the golden ticket. I had to put it off, so we got 19 total sales. I got 16 people from that, basically everybody who told me their name on my Discord server. Right here, we got all 16. There are 3 extra, which we are going to refund now. Alright guys, the game that we are going to be doing these battles on is, I just kind of made a game with just 2, named it Doomspire Brickbattle. Let's join and I'll kind of show you guys around, I guess. Alright, so basically, while 2 people are on opposite sides, they're going to be gunning to destroy the other tower. Whoever destroys the other tower fastest will get a point, I guess, a win. But, oh hello. But, yeah, it's gonna be best of 3, so whoever wins 2 first, I guess, will win the battle. And yeah, a bunch of people are joining already. Shout out to you guys, I guess. But yeah, this is for the tournament. Okay guys, so now I'm going to pick teams. It is going to be completely random. I have everybody's name right here. All 16, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, all 16 people here. I'm gonna do a random picker, and for example, the first person will be right here. The second person will be right here, third person will be here, then fourth here, all the way up to 8, and then the 9th person will be here, the 10th will be here, all the way down to 16. And yeah guys, I did decide that I'm going to make this a separate video from the first bracket wins for the tournament. So yeah, I am going to upload this after, and then I will be working on the actual matches. So now I am going to do this, and I will fast forward it. Alright guys, so this will be the first bracket. Zach will be versing Tiger, Justin will be versing Retro, Gamer will be versing Ty, and so on. The way that I'm going to record the games is I'm just going to keep communicating with them on my Discord server, and whenever both people are available, then we will battle and see who wins. You guys are probably thinking, like, what if I'm not active on my Discord server? Well, guys, I'm always on my Discord server, so I will be keeping in touch with them, and we will be getting on these games. So stay tuned next video to actually see all the first bracket wins, and then there will be second bracket and then third bracket. I'll probably have third to finals on the same video. So this will be its own video, and then this will be its own video, and then this to winner will probably be its own video. So yeah guys, stay tuned. I'll try to pump these out as often as I can, and yeah guys, that is pretty much everything. So I hope you guys did enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more amazing videos. Check out my Discord server, link in the description below, along with my fan groups and fan shirts. They're amazing. Check them out. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.